Hi guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Lansdale Street with this fabulous 2-bedroom extended property. So the house comes complete with 2 reception rooms, 2 generously sized double bedrooms alongside a 5-piece bathroom suite, and an added benefit that it is coming to the market with no onward chain. So you've got a partial bay fronted lounge. Obviously the internal wall here you could take out for those that prefer the open plan living, on through to the second reception room, which does come complete with understair storage, and then out onto the extended kitchen. So as you can see, offers both wall and base units alongside space for your necessary appliances. Now just behind me is the rear garden, does benefit from the sun. You've got gated access into the communal alleyway and a storage shed out there, and then the courtyard just as we come out of the kitchen door. Heading up to the first floor, this is where you'll find the 2 double bedrooms and this fantastic sized 5-piece bathroom suite. Now there is the potential here to add in a 3rd bedroom. Whilst you do have that window, I would put a stud wall up and create a small room here, and then obviously you would have a much smaller bathroom, or keep the size as is for those that like the 4 and 5-piece arrangement. So you've got loft access just off the hall, and this is bedroom number 2. As you can see, a lovely spacious room. And then as we continue down to the master, with what looks like an original fitted cupboard in place there, lovely and bright. You've got your 2 double glazed windows in here. Plenty of space to navigate around the double bed, but you would equally find the same if it was a king size. So we are on Lansdale Street with this fabulous 2-bedroom extended terrace property offered to the market chain free, located in the popular Peel Green area, fantastically positioned, just a short walk from the Trafford Centre. Really well served in regards to your amenities, as well as transport links with the M30 junction, just a stone's throw from where we are located. If you're interested in coming and viewing, give the office a call to book your viewing now.